Help! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. People, I need your help. Where are the subscribers? I'm not getting any subscription. I'm still lagging behind. I have tried social commentary. I have tried food. I have tried travel. I've tried nature videos. I'm not getting any subscription. I'm not feeling the love. All my Nigerian audience. What did happen to the subscribers, Niger? My Ghana people. I'm not feeling the love, man. What did happen to the subscribers? All right. Seriously though, it may just be my content, and maybe I need to up my content some more. Maybe I need to push them in different directions. I don't know. Help me. I've done entertainment videos, and I see a lot of responses. Uh, Maybe I should go in a direction of entertainment. But tell me, give me some feedback. Tell me what you like to see. I need subscribers. I'm not feeling the love. I see a lot of people visiting, but I'm not getting the subscription. I don't know. Maybe because I don't have a beard. Is that it? Or I have people ask me strange questions, weird questions rather. Not strange, but weird. They'll ask me, you know, um, I, I, I thought you were Nigerian because I see you use some Nigerian pigeon in your videos. I see, ask me from Ghanaian. You do a lot of Ghanaian content in your stuff. I'm born in Jamaica, but our ancestral origins is from Ghana. And funny enough, our language, the Jamaican patois, sounds very much like the Nigerian pidgin. So I'm connected whichever way you take it. I'm a cross pollination of all of them. But I need a subscription, and tell me what you think you need to hear from me, because I think I've tried a lot. So today I'm stuck at home with the corona quarantine. So it's a good time as any to talk to my people, find out what it is you'd like to see me do. Yeah, excuse me. It's not corona, I promise you. Um, but yeah, drop me a line. Give me some hints. Tell me the stuff you'd like to hear. I really do need the subscription. I need the love, guys. All right. So I look forward to hearing from you, and next time I'll see what I can do. There's not much I can do right now because the entire city is on a quarantine. Um, but still tell me. I'll see what I can do, and because I want to keep my audience. I want to keep it growing, and I love hearing the feedbacks when I do get the feedbacks from you guys. Um, you know, but I want to know what you want to see, what you want to hear, what you're interested in. Sometimes I put what I think is my best foot forward in a certain social commentary, and I don't know if that's what you want to hear. Um, or I might do some nature videos. I never really know exactly if that's what you want to hear because I see the traffic coming into the video, but the subscription is not always reflecting the traffic frequency. So let me know. I want to bring to you the best quality content I can. Uh, it doesn't mean I will bring the exact thing you want, but I want to know if you appreciate what I bring, because sometimes you bring what you can bring. If you want to see more Nigerian content, you want to see more Ghanaian content, you want to see more Jamaican content, let me know. More know if that's what you want. You want the Jamaican content. I bring the Jamaican content. If you want to see you know Jamaican American content or some Afro American content or Afro Jamaican content, whatever it might be. Let me know. I don't want to lose my audience. I want to keep the audience growing, but I want to keep you interested also. All right. So drop me a line. Let me know. Keep me alive. Keep my faith up. Uh, I'm really trying a thing here, and I want to grow. All right. So help me out. All right. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hearing my plea. This is Bob Montego, and you're in tune to Wake Up and Live.